What is up, YouTube? Haven't seen this view in a little while. Little brisk Saturday morning here in Baltimore. Headed up to PA for Blettner's customer appreciation event they got. Definitely a cold one, but ironic that it is Blettner's customer appreciation event or whatever they're calling it. But your boy hit 1K, so I guess this is me telling you guys thank you. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Thank you for just watching, man. I really started this channel just as a hobby. Started it back in COVID. Didn't really have much going on, but started it as a hobby, something to do, just to pass the time. Definitely haven't been as consistent as a lot of people are with these YouTube channels, because I do have a regular life. But your boy hit 1K, man. I just want to say thank you guys. Shout out Blettner too, because they're the ones that got my bike right for my Daytona trip. New tires and all that shit. Did my Legend suspension, fluid change, all that. So we don't really have too many events here in Maryland around this time of the year, so we're making our way to PA. The foliage. Nice thing about coming up here to PA, I love their back roads. Definitely got some real nice back roads. Get some twisties going. Nice curves. No modified exhaust allowed around here. The first thing we did to a Harley, modify the exhaust. Leaves falling off the trees. Man, I can't believe it's October already. This year flew by. This year flew by. I fucking changed jobs this year. Crazy. Climbing the corporate ladder, so to speak. Definitely thankful for that. A lot of people out here, you know, not really making or barely making ends meet. So, been blessed, man. Been blessed. I've been a little stressed out, not gonna lie. Just been busy, a bunch of stuff going on with work. But in hindsight, when I look back, I guess it's a good thing, right? Able to put food on the table, keep a roof over the head. Always a blessing. But I definitely can't believe it's October. Well, it's about to be November now, so I definitely can't believe it's about to be November. What do we got, like a week or two left in October? It's crazy. A week from today is the last day of October, so it's crazy. And I'm definitely appreciative of everything, man. Just being able to wake up and go to work, take that shit for granted. Being able to do shit like this, go out on rides with friends, meet up with hopefully more friends over here at Blettner's. You guys tuning into the channel, I appreciate that, man. I really do. Winter project is in progress currently too on the O2 Electric Glide. So go ahead and check some of that stuff out. Even let me know. That's actually something that I was thinking about yesterday when that last video went live, right? Do you guys want me to post everything I do on that bike, or do you want me to just post like a couple things in one? So like the video that I had planned next was the front suspension, right? Well, now I'm redoing all the brake cables in the front, going to that stainless cable. So I guess I should do the front suspension, the cable, and the front wheel with the brake calipers all at once. I think I'm gonna start doing that. I feel like the videos aren't like I feel like I'm not covering a bunch of stuff at once. Or do you like that one topic at a time thing? Definitely open to suggestions, so let me know what you guys think. But yeah, I got a bunch of stuff on that the Electric Glide that's coming up. And I'm not gonna lie, like the way I am, when I start working on one thing, stuff I look at things and I'm like, man, I don't like the way that looks. For example, the brake cables, right? I ran everything, got the risers, everything installed, put the perch clamps, everything. And when I sat back and was looking at it, I was like, yeah, I don't like the way this looks. I wanna upgrade the front brake cabling. So I ordered all that stuff from Revzilla yesterday, so we'll see how should be here early next week. Revzilla's usually, that's why I've been going with Revzilla, just because of the fast shipping. What do you want to see is the better question moving forward. So traffic here is kind of holding us up. So let me catch up with y'all once we get around these trucks. Yo, my man Eric can't be from the island, bro. Bro's Puerto Rican, but he can't. This motherfucker from fucking Antarctica and shit out here riding in 40-degree weather with no gloves on. Chilling. Look, one hand on the fucking throttle, other hand on his lap, just chilling. I got these leather gloves on and my fucking fingers are freezing. Seriously, bro. That shit is wigging me out fucking the whole time here. That thing, I just keep looking like, yeah, bro, you can have that shit. You can definitely have that shit. not here, but as soon as we make the turn, we're here. Blettner's Power Sports. If you guys in the area, Maryland, PA, come check them out. They do good work, and not just do good work, man. Like, they're good people, great people. Nice little turnout for sure. Oh man. We made it. Everybody made it safe. Most important thing. This for the dog. Got the wrap for the dog.
Switch it up.
Just get them. You get them?
I look like the Undertaker.
Yeah. I do. His fucking hands were cold.
Uh-oh, you don't care if it's falling apart?
No, that means it's tender.
You got that right. Yep, inside they got muted inside.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I was gonna say they got big beans and there's napkins and forks and stuff in there.
Nice, thank you.
Yep. How you doing? Good, buddy. How you doing?
Man, look at that. True customer appreciation. That's a wrap for Blettner's Customer Appreciation Day, man. Had a good time. Saw a couple familiar faces. Hollered at the boys at the shop. Pops at the shop. Man, some of the coolest people that I've met in this motorcycle thing. Always good talking, catching up with those guys. Might have something in the works for my baby here, my Lowrider S, that we've been discussing with the shop, so we'll see how it plays out. We will see how it plays out. But about an hour ride back home. Some of these nice twisties. Hit some of these nice curves. Nice October day. Little chilly, but not unbearable. That being said, I'm gonna go ahead and sign out on this video. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Thank you again for that 1K on the channel finally. Like, comment, subscribe. Catch y'all on the next one. Peace.